Welcome back to Power Garage. Aaj hum bot karn whale hain ek ace beast ki jo motorhome world ko next level par lo jar raha hai. Yi hai 2026 Scania XL Motorhome Truck, ek moving luxury mansion jo power, comfort or technology ka perfect combination hai. Road par chalti hui yi machine surf ek vehicle nahi, balke ek lifestyle ka naya chapter lagdi hai. Sabs peli bot kardi hain iski design ki. 2026 Scania XL KO is Terra Sculpt Kia Gaia Hai Ku AAP Door SE High Iski commanding presence feel car socked hain. Sharp LED matrix headlights, aerodynamic front grille, or extra tall XL cabin is truck KO ek royal look dedi high. Ye motorhome jitney badi high, utni high intelligently designed be high. Interior ki bot carrion to Scania any yahan koi compromise nahi kia. Apco Milta high fully furnished luxury cabin Jime king-size bed, premium leather seating, smart kitchen, climate control system, retractable dining table, LED mood lighting or ek modern bathroom with hot shower. Smart control panel SE AAP Sab Kuch Touch SE operate car socked hain. Ye truck Apco ek mini apartment ka experience dita high, BAS Farki high ki apartment kahin bi chilla jada high. Engine side par Scania XL 13-liter high-torque diesel engine ko sath at a high jo halls ko smooth ban at a high or highways par effortless cruising provide karta high. Fuel efficiency improved high or Scania ko latest safety features, lane assist, 360-degree camera, auto brake assist, long rides ko bilkul stress-free bonadit hain. Storage space be massive high. Outdoor gear, bikes, toolkits, Sab Cheesian Asani Se adjust ho jati hain. Solar panels or dual battery setup long trips ko eco-friendly bonadit hain. Yi unlogon ko liya perfect high jo adventure ko comfort ko sath blend karna chat hain. To dosto, ye the 2026 Scania XL Motorhome Truck ka detailed look. Agar AAP road trips, power trucks or futuristic motorhomes ko fan hain to ye beast opki dreams ka real version ban sakta high. Video ko like carrion, shar.